Hey, what is up? It is your boy Will. Welcome back to the Skinny Survivor channel, the best place for skinny guys to gain their first 30 pounds of muscle and go from the scrawny guy to the brawny guy as fast as possible. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a perfect arm workout routine that you can do from the comfort of your own home to gain an extra inch or two on your arms and start fitting your t-shirts easily, okay? So maybe you've struggled to build muscle on your arms before, or you were born skinny with thin arms like I was. This workout is going to be perfect for you to build bigger arms so you can finally fit your t-shirts with ease. Now, if you're new to this channel, again, I post daily meal plans, workouts, recipes, tips and tricks on how to bulk up. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're a skinny guy looking to bulk up and transform your body as fast as possible. Make sure to subscribe right now. And if you've been following me for a while, make sure after this video that you click the first link in my description down below to grab your free bulking meal plan and workout to start your weight gain journey in the next 30 days. So I want to quickly explain how this workout exactly works. So it's a perfect arm workout that you can do with a set of dumbbells at home, and it's gonna focus on all around arm development, specifically in the bicep and tricep areas, the muscle groups. We're gonna focus on doing 3 bicep exercises and 3 tricep exercises. We're gonna perform 3 sets of each exercise with 12 reps per exercise. So if you don't know what that means, it's simply performing each exercise 3 times, and each exercise we're gonna do 12 reps for, okay? So 3 times 12 basically. So I won't talk too much about the workout and we'll get straight into it right now. Thanks for watching again. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Also, check out the videos on the screen here to watch next. That's it for this video, my skinny survivors. I'll see you in the next one.